JT wrote a really beautiful play about the Oslo Peace Accords. What I find so fascinating is how JT has taken this huge story that involves such complication between the Israelis and the Palestinians and turn them into something that the audience is able to digest, understand, and yet not get caught in the minutia of it, but be engaged emotionally in it.
It's quite moving and quite exciting to watch and go on the journey with these characters that I think people will become attached to, hopefully, and will want to see them see their future be improved by the work that they're doing together.
And you start to recognize more of the similarities you have rather than the differences. And I think that's something that to me is very important in the message that we're trying to relay in this piece.
Hopefully people will walk out with a little bit of that sense of, okay, things might not have gone great, but they tried, and here's what they did to try, and maybe if we keep trying, someday we'll get there, someday we'll get it right.
The play ultimately is about focusing our minds on peace as a process and not peace as a destination. I think all of us at our core believe that peace is possible and that peace is where we should be heading ultimately, and about how we can find that together.